Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best task complete website where you can just complete task and earn money. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Remotasks? Remotasks is a website where you can make cash by doing assignments. How it works. You simply tag pictures and transcribe sound, moderate content. We have many intriguing assignments for you to do. English fluency is the main necessity. 1. Sign up. Join effectively, simply interface with Facebook. 2. Learn. Get guaranteed in a wide range of errand classes. 3. Work. Do assignments in classifications you've opened. 4. Get paid. Win cash and get paid week after week with PayPal. If you want to create PayPal account, link in the description box. More about Remotasks. How would I join Remotasks? You can make a record on Remotasks by visiting the sign up page. From that point onward, you will have the option to go along with us, utilizing your Facebook or Gmail account. Once in your record, you can begin taking courses in the Remotasks Training Center. At that point, you can begin entrusting and acquiring. If you want to join Remotasks, link in the description box. Would I be able to utilize mobile to work? You can log in dashboard utilizing a smartphone, yet we debilitate you from doing complex errands like 2D and 3D. Comment on any gadget other than a PC or PC. For what reason do I get a mistake when attempting to join? This could be occurring in light of the fact that your Facebook account doesn't have a checked email address. If it's not too much trouble, go to Facebook email settings page and make certain to include and affirm an email address, and use it as your fundamental wellspring of contact. Do we need to pay to utilize your foundation? Obviously not. We don't charge for taking a shot at our foundation. Nonetheless, there is a 2% PayPal exchange expense when we pay out your profit. How would I task? When you make your record, you're ready to begin taking courses in the Remotasks Training Center. After you complete a course and are empowered to chip away at an undertaking, you can begin doing errands and acquiring. How would I get more undertakings? Each venture has a particular number of accessible errands. Take more courses and get empowered to chip away at more activities. Imagine a scenario where I'm confounded about how to take care of specific responsibilities. We have functioning on the web network where you can get counsel on assignments from experienced taskers and Remotasks administrators. Where take care of the responsibilities originate from. We work with numerous organizations, from little new businesses to public organizations. A few models incorporate self-driving vehicle organizations and T-shirt new businesses. They confided in us and you with finishing these assignments. How would we as laborers help your organization by managing these responsibilities? Our vision is to quicken the improvement of AI applications, and we do this by giving excellent preparing information to AI organizations. Our greatest market is one self-driving vehicle space. Your undertakings are in reality making self-driving vehicles. We additionally accomplish work in different territories, for example, picture acknowledgement, arrangement, and record. How to pull back my income. Subsequent to joining, if it's not too much trouble, make certain to include a PayPal email in your profile. This is as simple as heading off to your record page in your dashboard and entering your PayPal email address and nation subtleties. Try to spare the progressions and you'll have the option to get your payouts the accompanying payday. If you want to create a PayPal account, link in the description box. Will I truly get paid? We have a huge number of taskers taking a shot at our foundation that get paid each week. In the event that you'd prefer to interface with one of them, told us. Do I need to work a base number of hours to get a payout? There is no base to get paid every week. I hope you all are enjoying the video and start earning from today. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe my channel and show your love by ring the bell icon. Good luck.